Roblox keeps crashing on your iPhone? This usually happens because of an outdated app, low storage, graphics settings, or software glitches. It can ruin your gaming session, but most crashes have simple fixes. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox crashing on your iPhone, so let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Reduce graphics settings. First, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone. Now play a game, and then tap on the Roblox logo in the top left corner. Now select the Settings tab here. Now scroll down a little bit and find the graphics mode. Now look at the right side of the graphics mode and use the arrow button to select the manual. Here you can decrease graphics as well and lower graphics quality to reduce strain on the device. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. Now go to the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap General. Next tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove and then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 3. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Check your software update. Open the Settings app again, then tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If you find any software updates, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And there you have it. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.